But why should I care, you ask yourself? Well, there are a number of reasons you should care. Let's expand on some reasons. Number 1, imagine you have a friend who's visiting a foreign country. One day, they call you and talk about the wonderful time they're having, but they miscalculated their expenditures, and now they have no money left. They ask you to send some money, and as a good friend, you agree to send money over through a bank transfer. You make the transaction, and you notice that the transaction takes 2 days to reach your friend, and above that, the bank will take a considerable fee from the transaction. Because of the long transfer time, your friend won't be able to buy what they wanted. If you have used blockchain to make this transaction, then it would have reached your friend in seconds, and you wouldn't have paid high fees. Number 2, if you really don't care about high-speed transactions and low fees, then maybe you do care about keeping your private information away from hackers. With the use of blockchain, you can be the boss of your own information. You can control who has access to your credit information and medical records, for instance, keeping the information safe from prying eyes. Traditional centralized databases are susceptible to hacks and breaches. This isn't said to make you afraid, but because it has already happened multiple times. In 2017, one of the largest credit reporting companies, Equifax, experienced a major data breach, allowing over 145 million US citizens to have their identity stolen. Number 3, also with blockchain, companies have the ability to create smart contracts, which they can use to automate their business or track their production and keep their data safe. Number 4, startups can use the blockchain as a crowdfunding solution to fund their ventures. This is called an ICO, or initial coin offering, or ITO, initial token offering. Number 5, blockchain can also be used to eliminate fraud from the world of NGOs, decrease corruption in voting and make it more accessible, plus create the means to bank the unbanked 2 billion people in the world, thereby decreasing poverty. The new possibilities presented by blockchain technology can make the world a better and more efficient place. Businesses could be more effective, faster, and autonomous. People can transact with others across the world in seconds, and data can be kept safe. And it doesn't end with that, since new possibilities are found almost every day.